Since 1994, Reliance Interiors Inc. has built a reputation of dependability, high-quality workmanship, and overall commitment to excellence in interior construction. We are a certified 100% women-owned business through the Women's Business Enterprise National Council. We have successfully completed many projects in a multitude of markets, including multifamily, hospitality, healthcare, higher education, commercial, and design build. Reliance Interiors Inc., along with our sister company, BIMTECH Offsite Prefab Solutions, is a premier ICC certified cold form steel manufacturer. We fabricate and install load and non-load bearing metal framing, metal wall panels, joists, trusses, gypsum wallboard, and acoustical ceiling systems. Our state-of-the-art fabrication facility and corporate offices are located in Acworth, Georgia, and services the needs of our customers across the U.S. Using 3D modeling and design software, we work with architects and engineers to create more accurate visual project designs and identify system conflicts ahead of time to avoid project delays and unnecessary cost impacts. Fabrication begins with an automated process utilizing the FrameCAD system. Steel coils are fed into innovative roll-forming equipment which shapes and cuts the steel to exact design specifications. Every piece of steel is printed with traceable information. Our fabrication process is carried out by following ICC quality control standards and guidelines. Our technicians assemble the pre-cut studs and track into prefabricated wall panels, joists, or trusses with the utmost care and attention to detail. Cold-formed steel panels offer many structural advantages. They are lighter, stronger, and straighter than wood. They also provide better fire protection and mold resistance, not to mention lower builder's risk insurance. Pre-assembled panels are delivered to the job site and are ready for installation with reduced on-site manpower and project waste. All waste generated is fully recyclable. Prefabrication using cold-formed steel is the future of construction and offers customers accelerated project schedules, lower overall costs, scalable design solutions, and better building performance. To learn more about how Reliance Interiors works with owners, architects, developers, and general contractors to provide faster, leaner, safer, and cost-effective construction solutions, visit our website at relianceinteriors.com or give us a call at 770-514-6424.